Okay. Hip bone. First we have to know about the side of termination. The second one we know anatomical position. Okay. Let me introduce first yourself. In which semester, in which class, what's your good name? Then start with this anatomical position. The greatest sciatic nose always lies in the posterior side. Pitch. Okay. This is the holding position. This is the right side of hip bone. Greatest sciatic nose is posterior side. Ilium extended part is the superior, and the ischium and this is in the inferior side and the posterior. Or pubis, this is anterior and the medial side. So it slides in the body like this. Okay, in our body. So first we are going to talk about the ilium. Okay, which is expanded part. The ilium we have anterior border, anterior superior spine, and the posterior superior spine. For the anterior superior spine, this is the first notch present in the anterior side, and the posterior superior spine, this is in the posterior side. Okay, this is anterior superior spine, the posterior superior spine. So we have how many borders? कितने border है? Anterior border, which is forming the anterior line. This is the anterior border. The posterior border, which is forming the posterior side. Or this is the medial border, which is also known as the arcuate line, which is dividing the sacropelvic part in the iliac fossa. Okay. So three border. Now we have the three surface: iliac fossa, gluteal surface, and the sacropelvic surface. Okay. Now we will see the anterior superior spine. We have the ventral 2/3. Ventral 2/3. This is the ventral 2/3 and the dorsal 1/3. The dorsal 1/3 lies in the posterior side. The ventral 2/3 we have outer lip, inner lip, intermediate area. Outer lip we have two origin of the muscles. The one insertion, the first one tensor fascial lata, which is present in the iliac crest. Just above the anterior superior spine, we have the iliac crest, that is tubercle, which is called iliac crest. We have tensor fascial lata origin, latissimus dorsi origin, and the insertion of external oblique muscles. Okay. And inner lip, we have ventral 2/3, inner lip, we have origin of transverse abdominis muscles. Okay. Transverse abdominis in the between the two lip, we have the intermediate area. Intermediate area, what we used to read in the intermediate area? Internal oblique muscles. Origin of internal oblique muscles. Okay, now we'll talk about, this is the ventral 2/3 is finished. Now we'll talk about the dorsal segment. The dorsal, we have the outer sloping surface and inner sloping surface. Outer sloping surface we have the origin of gluteus maximus, and the inner sloping surface we have erector spinalis. Okay. Now we'll talk about the border. So anterior superior spine, this is the border which is forming the anterior superior spine, and the anterior superior spine, the upper side, the straight head of rectus femoris attachment, and the lower side iliofemoral ligament. Upper anterior superior spine with the upper में the straight head of rectus femoris, and the lower side we have the iliofemoral ligament attachment, and the posterior we have the posterior superior spine, which is forming the greater sciatic notch, where foraminous ischial spine. It is written wrong, no? So greater sciatic notch, and this is the ischial spine. Okay, and the structure passing through the greater sciatic notch, the cutaneous nerve and the basal, they are passing through all this, and the lesser sciatic nerve go up to pudendal nerve, all these things passing through the lesser sciatic notch. Now we talk about the middle border, which is forming the
dividing the iliac fossa and the sacropelvis. This is between both. We have the medial border. This is known as arcuate line. Now we'll talk about the surface. Iliac fossa, origin of iliacus muscle. Okay, and gluteal surface. We have the 4 areas by 3 gluteal lines. We already know about the anterior and the posterior. So anterior gluteal line and the posterior gluteal line and the inferior. The posterior gluteal line, behind the posterior gluteal line, we know about the outer surface area. We have the origin of gluteus maximus. Between the anterior and the posterior gluteal line, we have gluteus medius and the last one minimus, which is anterior and inferior. We have the gluteus minimus and the margin of acetabulum, and between the inferior gluteal line we have the origin of rectus femoris muscles. Okay, this is now we will talk about the sacropelvic surface. Sacropelvic surface, we have the scale tuberosity, where we have the attachment of ligament, which is iliac lumbar, dorsal sacroiliac and interosseous sacroiliac. Okay, 3. And the articular surface, we have the sacroiliac joint. Okay, and the pelvic part, we have pre-auricular surface. The auricular surface that we have present, that is the origin of obturator internus. Now we talk about the ischium, which is lies in the posterior and inferior, posterior side and the inferior. We have 2 ends, 3 surface and 3 borders. Okay, and ramus. 2 ends, we have the upper end and the lower end. The upper end we don't have the attachment, so lower end we have ischial tuberosity, which is present. This is the triangular area, ischial tuberosity, upper triangular lateral area, lateral side. The lateral area, lateral side. Okay, upper lateral, lower and the medial lower. This is the triangular area, medial side, and the lateral side we have the quadrangular area. Okay. The lateral quadrangular area, we have the origin of 4 muscles, that is semimembranosus, then semitendinosus plus the long head of the bicep femoris, and the last one we have the adductor magnus. And the medial margin, which is having the triangular area, the lower end of the sacrotuberous ligament having the attachment over there. Now we will talk about the border. Anterior border, attachment of the obturator membrane, and the posterior border we have the ostial spine, attachment to sacrospinous ligament, levator ani and the coccygeus muscles. Okay, now we will talk about the laser sciatic notch, upper end laser sciatic notch. Okay, this is the laser sciatic notch. इसके upper end we have the gemellus superior and the lower end we have the gemellus inferior, and the lateral side. Okay, lateral side we have tendon of obturator externus. Now we will talk about the surface. We have the 3 surface: femoral surface, the femoral where the femur of the head and the acetabulum is going to fuse. Okay, this is the femoral surface, and pelvic surface and the dorsal surface. Okay, this is the dorsal surface. The dorsal surface we have the tendon of obturator internus, and the pelvic surface we have the origin to obturator internus, and the ramus, which is the conjoint ischiopubic ramus. Okay, till now you have to read. Cut.